Hey Craftsies, welcome back to another video. I'm Lolly and I'm here to share a special something with you today. We're going to create a necklace with beads that I've absolutely loved since I got them around 10 years ago. And I'm just going to share my story on what has happened and just tell you a bit more about my dream on making this video. So these are the beautiful beads that I've been talking about. You can use the keychain, these beads, and some of these clear beads in today's necklace. I'm just separating mostly the clear, longer beads from the rest of the other beads so long. So let's begin. With this, I'm just creating a necklace. So I'm going to use the key chain in the middle and then start with the special beads and some of the clear beads and just put them through and show you as we go, like this. So let's begin. I'm just adding beads and putting the keys in the middle, as you can see, and I'm just going to separate them with the clear longer beads. When I was around 16 years old, I started just loving creating things. And most of this was just creating bracelets, beaded necklaces, as well as charm bracelets. I loved making my own jewelry. And I always had a dream of maybe selling it one day. So with these specific beads that I had, I wanted to make something with them since I got them over 10 years ago. And I always had it at the back of my mind. I wanted to do something special. I wanted to create something with them. And it was just absolutely beautiful. Hey Crafty, I see you there. If you like this video so far, please click the like button down below so we can share this video with other special crafties like you. So a few weeks back, I had a dream, and that dream was to start creating jewelry again, doing my passion, creating things that I love doing. And that's why I started this channel. I really just wanted to create stuff and share it with you guys as my Craftsy fam and just do what I really want to do. And maybe hopefully one day we can do this full time and just enjoy the process. So as we can see now, I have added the beautiful flower bead as a little bead. And this is the progress so far. It's just that these flowers just keep turning around, and that kind of just irritated me for a while. And as we're seeing the progress so far, each beautiful bead looks different to the next, and it's just so special. It just looks so great right now, but the flowers definitely irritated me. So yes, I decided to remove the beads and then remove the flower beads because I felt like they were turning around all the time, and if you're going to wear this, it's not going to show, it's going to look backwards, and it's just going to irritate me. So I decided to take them out and then redo this, and I did this on the other side as well, which you'll see in a second. Just to end it off, we are just adding the clear beads at the end so that it looks like, there are spaces in between and at the end. So this is what it's looking like right now, and I feel like it looks better without those flowery beads. And we're just repeating the process on the other side. I've also removed that one, and we're just creating this. Just adding this on. My dream of creating this beautiful necklace has come true, and I'm so grateful to share it with you guys. It looks absolutely beautiful so far. So now we're going to end it off with hoops and things like that. Unfortunately, I don't have clasps at the moment to actually finish it off properly, but we're just going to add the hoops and then finish it off for now. But this was my absolute dream, to create something with these beautiful beads, and I really hope you enjoyed the story behind it and just the creating of this beautiful, beautiful necklace. I absolutely love it, and I will definitely be wearing it in the future. So we're just adding it off and just closing the stopper with the hoop, and then we're finishing it on the other side. So this is what it looks like. And then we're just going to finish it off on the other side. And here you have it. My dream of creating this beautiful, beautiful necklace has come true. I will definitely finish it off later on. So here is another video that you can check out that was on my channel, and also in the comments below, let me know what you would like to see next.